Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a marketing collaboration with Collabor8, complete guide step by step clearly. To start a marketing collaboration with Collabor8, first, visit the Collabor8 website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary details, including your name, email, and a password. After registering, verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, complete your profile by adding information about your brand, target audience, and marketing objectives. Browse existing campaigns on the platform to find opportunities that align with your brand. Select a campaign that interests you and click on it for more details. Review the campaign requirements and guidelines to ensure a good fit. Prepare any content or proposals that highlight how your brand can contribute to the campaign. Once ready, reach out to the campaign organizer through the message feature on the platform. Introduce your brand and explain your interest in collaborating. Discuss potential ideas on how you can work together effectively. If both parties agree to collaborate, finalize the terms of the partnership. Create a timeline for your deliverables and agree on how performance will be measured. After the agreement, execute your marketing strategies as planned. Keep communication open throughout the collaboration for updates and feedback. Once the campaign is complete, evaluate the results and discuss any next steps with your collaborator. That concludes the process of starting a marketing collaboration with Collabor8. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.